Hi, this is Jason Lloyd from Forexsuggest, and today we will be taking a look at some of the top 5 best Forex brokers in the United Kingdom. Be sure to like, subscribe and click that notification bell to stay up to date with our latest videos. Let's get started. Firstly, trying to enter the world of foreign exchange can indeed be a daunting task, even for the best of us. With so many new concepts, terms and software platforms, it may easily feel like you've accidentally stepped through your closet and entered Narnia. Normally, new and shiny things are very exciting, as long as they don't instill the "if I touch it, I might break it" feeling. But entering the world of Forex can make you feel like you could easily break it. There is no denying that the Forex environment comes with inherent complexities, and one would imagine that there must be tools that are specifically tailored to better manage the task. Finding a list of some of the most trustworthy brokers in the United Kingdom and worldwide can be a difficult process, especially when looking for a list of brokers who accept almost every level of trader. So, in this list, we will be taking a look at some of the top 5 best Forex brokers in the United Kingdom. Coming in first at number 5 on our list is Forex.com. Forex.com is a one-stop shop for Forex traders, providing a massive range of tradable currencies, low account minimums, and an impressive trading platform. Forex.com offers services and specializes in trading through Forex, indices, stocks, commodities and cryptocurrencies. Available platforms are featured on MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, as well as Forex.com's advanced trading platform for web, Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. Accounts are provided on standard, commission and direct market access accounts, with access to their web and mobile platforms, lower Forex fees, a variety of tradable currencies, an active trader program, and more. Forex.com also provides their very own educational learning center, which delves into a wide variety of educational themes, such as risk management, technical and fundamental analysis, a beginner's trading guide that features educational videos, as well as webinars that you can sign up to if you are looking to expand your knowledge with Forex.com. At number 4, we have Oanda. Oanda is a globally recognized, fully regulated Forex and CFD broker that operates across 6 of the most credible authorities in Australia, the US, Europe, Japan, Singapore, and Canada. Oanda specializes in trading through Forex, indices, metals, and commodities. Featured platforms for accounts are available on the MetaTrader 4 platform, which is supported on Oanda's WebTrader, Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. Their accounts are available on standard and premium accounts, with up to 70 tradable Forex currency pairs, access to their web, desktop, and mobile platforms, 24-hour 5 days a week customer support, and more. Oanda also provides their very own educational resources and learning center, which delves into beginner introductions to trading, understanding various analytics and tools, a guide to capital management, guides in platform functionality, as well as a variety of live webinars that you can take part in if you are looking to expand your education with Oanda. Coming in at number 3 is Plus 500. Plus 500 is a popular online trading broker, which has been in operation since 2008, has multiple regulations in various jurisdictions, and offers sophisticated online trading services to an array of traders from multiple countries around the world. With Plus 500, traders have access to over 2,000 financial instruments, including Forex, Indices, Commodities, cryptocurrencies, shares, options, and ETFs. Plus 500 features an advanced, user-friendly and reliable trading platform, using the competitive trading conditions offered, which is supported on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. Plus 500 features a demo account and one live trading account, which was specifically designed to cater to various levels of trading for beginners and professionals alike, regardless of their trading needs, objectives, or trading experience, and ensures that traders have a dynamic and secure trading environment. Plus 500 also provides their very own educational panel, which delves into various beginner trading topics, an economic calendar, a variety of risk management tools, as well as a trader's guide, which covers popular trading strategies and guides to help you with any additional education that you might be looking for. At number 2 on our list, we have Avatrade. Avatrade is an online, globally recognized, fully regulated financial broker, which was founded in 2006, is regulated by the Central Bank of Ireland, the ASIC, FSA, FSB, and the BVI. Over 200,000 traders choose Avatrade for their preferred financial broker. Avatrade specializes in trading through more than 250 instruments, which include over 60 currency pairs, major stock indices, cryptocurrencies, commodities, bonds, individual shares, ETFs, and more. Their accounts feature retail, professional, spread betting, standard, VIP, and crypto accounts, which include lower leverage, negative balance protection, risk warnings, and access to a variety of educational tools and services. Available platforms for accounts are featured on MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, Avatrade's Web Trader, and for all your mobile trading needs, Avatrade Options and Go applications, which are supported on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. Avatrade also provides the absolute best comprehensive educational services, which cover in-depth trading guides and videos that delve into professional trading strategies, beginner lessons, introductions to advanced trading tools, trading safety, as well as a variety of ebooks that you can browse through if you are looking to expand your trading education with Avatrade. And coming in at number 1 on our list of some of the top 5 best Forex brokers in the United Kingdom, we have FXTM. FXTM is an online, fully regulated financial broker. Founded in 2011, FXTM primarily remains a MetaTrader-only broker and offers 7 account types that provide traders with access to up to 59 currency pairs as well as CFDs on 173 single stock shares. FXTM provides services and specializes in trading through Forex, precious metals, CFDs, commodities, CFD indices, and cryptocurrencies. Available accounts are featured on Standard, Cent, CFD, Stocks, ECN0, ECN, and FXTM Pro accounts with swap-free options, a variety of base currency options, instant executions, and more. Featured platforms for accounts are available on MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, and the FXTM Trader application, which is supported on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. FXTM also provides their very own Learning Center, which covers a video learning library, seminars, webinars, trading articles, a variety of helpful ebooks, great customer support, and more if you are looking to expand your trading knowledge with FXTM. And those are some of the top 5 best Forex brokers in the United Kingdom on our list. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and leave a like if you enjoyed this video. Leave us a comment on what you would like to see next, and let us know which online broker is your personal favorite. And that's it from me for now. To open an account with Forexsuggest, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching, and good luck with all your trading activities.